Hello everyone, I would like to explain the line balance today. The line balance can be planning concept to optimize resource. A resource can be the operator or machine. The focus on balancing the time taken for individual activity in each station by reducing process wastage. So each station process waste time should be improvement. So if the total LV is decreased, you should try to find out some next station to improve it. So for example, is assembly station is A, B, C is 3 station. Inspection station is D, E, F, G is 4 station. So how to calculate line balance? Line balance it can be we just call it LB or LOB. So total cycle time is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, all take time, and then total station number uh, can be seven, and max take time is next station. Uh, the largest take time can be here, so we can know the line balance. Okay, let me explain the for example the real calculate. So for example, is A, B, C is the assembly line, and D, E, F, G is inspection line. For example, is take time is like this. So total cycle time is all summation is take time, and the max take time is hmm, max take time can be the largest take time. This time is this is the max take time. So line balance calculate like this. So total cycle time and divided total station number is 7 like this, and then next station is this one. So the calculator is like this. So in this case, the line balance is 79%. So if the we should find out some next item to improve. So for example, I already improved like this. It is 32. If the next time is improve or decrease, in this case, its line balance LV can be increased like this. So you can calculate and you can find out some next station what is the problem to improve something. So LV should be before you line setup, you should check the LV and the should be optimized line balance for each station, and it can be increased take time or increased UPH. Okay, thanks for today. Thanks for all today explanation. Okay, thank you for your subscribe. Thank you.